so we're here now. It's around 1:30 or quarter to 2. Mike arrived at 2:55. So, Manamina there is very exciting. Mixed emotion, kaihion, kalibangon.
Drop lang, Jeff. Drop lang, drop. Dapat telepono. Drop lang.
Ha? Drop ka?
Drop. Oo, drop lang naman sila.
Pero asa man ni sila?
Hindi, nasa
Nami pick upon, sir?
Ma'am, manawag na mo, ma'am. Okay, di mo pa pwede mag-
Oh, delay.
Ano lang, lugar na din.
Ah, di
Okay.
tigas? Ah, okay. Sama.
So, diretso lang na to, sir?
Oh, ito mo dito
Okay.
sod. Hindi mo po pwede magkuhan dire.
Okay.
Dugay.
Salamat. Ayaw lang, salamat. Pagtanaw sa kanan. Thank you.
Double check yung gamit mo.
Okay.
Wala ka? Okay na?
Okay na. Thank you. Siguro na. Yeah. Sunod mo na ako, ha? Wala. Yeah, so we're here now in the airport, in the arrival. I don't know. We're just getting a grab and then it's not allowed, so we just walk going there. It's our... Masa may mong gibati manang? Masa may mong gibati? Masa... Excited. I told Manamina not to be shy, but it's normal. Yeah, we're finally here in the airport. We sleep around 4 hours, so we're good. The problem now is it's our first time, so we don't know where to sit down and wait. Okay? Maybe here, okay? I'll ask.